Hey man, you look depressed.
Yeah, it's just Attack on Titan is over, and now we have nothing else better to watch, so we're just watching some leftover episodes of American Dad, I guess.
Hey, it's coming out in May. That's not far.
Really, look outside.
Okay, so we have been getting lots of snow, but I mean, come on, it's not far.
Whatever, I just can't wait for March
Ah!
Disney special, am I right?
Don't spoil the surprise.
What do you mean spoil the surprise? We've been over this. Rigby screamed it out.
Damn it, I was thinking of I would come out with a cool trailer or something.
Yeah. Anyways, like, yeah, it's just only February. It's not far. Hey, speak of the devil, Bluebird has to go to school today.
He has to go to school today on a day like this.
Yeah, it seems kind of stupid to me as well, but whatever. Alright. Why am I so sick? Bluebird, it's time to go to school.
Yeah, go to school.
I can't go to school.
Oh my god, what is that?
I'm sick.
Stop! No, don't talk. Don't talk. Please don't talk.
I'm sick.
You're sick. How the hell did you get sick?
I don't know. Well, I guess you're gonna have to stay home from school.
Yeah, without anything to do.
Okay. Can I at least get some food? Well, you're sick, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I need to eat. I don't think so.
Yeah,
What?
I don't think you
What?
need to eat. You're sick.
Yeah, you can drink lots of water when you're sick, but whatever.
Water doesn't well, it's not like food, it's drink, so it's easier, Bluebird. So why
So
don't
I
you just have that?
Yeah. But water's dumb.
Water's delicious! I like water.
Of course you do.
It's in my life.
Water's stupid. Oh yeah, water's stupid. Yeah,
Well,
exactly.
if you weren't sick, you would have known in school that you can't even survive 3 days without drinking water.
like a lot of your body is like made of water, so
Yeah.
I don't pay attention to school because it's dumb.
Okay, then no Disneyland.
Wait, Disney World? What?
Never mind, never mind.
Never
No,
mind.
no,
Never mind.
No.
We're just. Well, wait, you're stupid.
So go to sleep.
Ow!
Go to sleep.
Alright, come on, Greenberg. Let's go, like, do something. Like, let's go to, like, the grocery store or something. Hi! Hi, I don't want to be sick. Hey, look! Some Pokemon! I'm gonna play Pokemon. Let's play Pokemon. I'm so ready to play Pokemon. I cannot wait to play this game.
What are you doing? No!
You can't play Pokemon when you're sick.
No.
Yeah, no.
No! I think I threw him off the dark abyss. I'm gonna take this, maybe throw it away. I don't know.
Because it was funny. No, it wasn't. What the hell? Oh, God. Go to bed.
Go to bed, boy ass.
Ow. God damn. Son of a bitch.
Oi! Damn it.
So are you all ready to enjoy a weekend morning on a Monday? Even though that's not really a weekend morning, but we consider it. That's why Orangebird's not going to college right now. Whitebird, please do not tell me you just laid an egg in this bed.
Yeah.
You just laid an egg on this couch. You did it.
Yeah. Nope. Everyone on that side.
No, don't put me on that side.
Quick, get on
Why
the
do
side.
we have him on this? Why do we have him on this freaking team?
There's more spots to lay eggs.
Okay, yep. I think we're gonna go enjoy our morning somewhere else. Whitebird, a monster! Kill it! Kill it!
Whoa!
Why? I'm so tired. It's a toy. I'm gonna play with this toy. Godzilla. Roar! Bluebird. What did
Get him! Look what I found!
It's a Godzilla toy.
How
Bluebird.
dare you!
Why were you playing with toys, huh?
Gonna throw it.
No!
Young one,
Let's
pass me
go.
your phone.
Here, have your phone. Good job,
Look, he's
Greenbird.
flattened.
Alright, Greenbird, let's go downstairs
Yeah.
and do our ritual relationship.
Blow your nose on a tissue or something.
Let's go downstairs and use our ritual relationship to kill every pig in the world. Because that's what we are. We're just messed up. Oh, can't wait to go browse our video. Carrying these ice cream and YouTube hangovers. Gary, get up. Get up, get up. Larry.
What happened?
I really have no idea. And
No! No!
yeah, go upstairs and eat ice cream or something.
Okay.
Has way too much internet. Oh my god. I want to play Xbox. I'm gonna play Xbox. Let's go. Bag, bag, paper bag. I love my paper bags and my teddy bear. Oh! That'll keep me knocked out. Blackbird's drinking water. Blackbird!
I'm calming down.
Just don't let Redbird know that I'm walking around, okay?
No, tell me what to do.
Haha. Oh, so romantic. Watching the snow. We shall kiss. Knocked out.
Wait.
Alright. Oh my god. How do I get past him? Ew. I'm leaving.
Oh yeah. See. Oh. Oh man, I love honey. And
Die with your honeycombs. Die.
I'm a lactobus.
I'm doing pretty good at this. I think I'm gonna get me some ice cream.
Hi.
Okay, I'm not even gonna ask. Oh, I love watching our videos in the darkness. Yeah. What the? Ha! And now there's Xbox. Oh yeah, I love Xbox. Oh damn, where'd you damn? I'm not very good at this game, so
What is that? Bluebird! No, Bluebird. The dryer? No. The toilet? Time to flush! Go to bed, Bluebird!
What are you doing?
Bluebird, you have to take a bath now for flushing yourself down.
I'm gonna try from here.
I don't care.
Oh damn, I'm still sick.
Go to bed after. Alright, I'm gonna play Call of Duty. Alright, time to play Call of Duty. Team Deathmatch K. Alright, let's shoot. Die! Yo, I'm just gonna go do weightlifts.